How do you pair fonts? Aside from choosing the right font, you also have to choose the right pair for your font. Pairing fonts is essential kasi it creates visual harmony sa designs mo. And it improves readability because it creates hierarchy. When pairing fonts, hindi mo lang sila basta ipag-pair. You create a relationship between those fonts. So let's say nakapili ka ng primary font. Gagamitin mo to for headings or titles. Secondary fonts are used for body text, paragraphs, subheadings, or sa subtitles. When pairing your primary and your secondary font, common rule of thumb is to use contrast. Different font family, different weights, or different sizes. Depende sa branding mo, you can pair two different font types. If you choose a sans serif as your primary font, pwede ka naman gumamit ng serif as your secondary font. Medyo tricky lang to kasi nga you need to create harmony and relationship. Since magkaiba sila ng classification, kailangan mo talagang maghanap ng balance between them. But the easiest way to pair fonts is to use the same font family. If your primary font is bold, then choose a secondary font na mas maliit yung size, like a medium or regular font. They work kasi they share the same structure. Parang built-in na yung similarities nila and they create balance, harmony, and they relate with each other. So try to experiment with this. Find the right font, then find the right pair for that font. Follow for more.